Konnichiwa, hello, my name is Miki and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a review once again on another hair extension. Now, this is actually a pony extension. If you don't know what a pony extension is, it's basically to make you look like Ariana Grande. I'm really interested in this. I did a hair extension video a while back and it was really tough to do because I am just not used to putting in hair extensions. I am not a girl who can actually do her hair. So this is probably gonna be another challenge for me, but we're gonna try it out. Now, if you guys are new to my channel or you enjoy my videos, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually know when I post my videos. And as usual, my disclaimer, if you are super sensitive to profanity or if you are easily offended, this is not the place for you. I am a no filter bitch and I have no idea what's gonna come out of my mouth, so keep that in mind while you're watching. So if you guys are interested in a pony hair extension from Amazon and how it's gonna work, then just stay tuned. Guys, it has been a long freaking week for me. I have just been struggling up and down. I also feel like I look like crap. So it's just been a long freaking week. But I am really happy to be sitting down and filming. I am here today. We are present. Let's get into this hair extension video. Now, I purchased this off of Amazon, just like my other hair extensions. If you want to see that, I will leave that in the eye up here so you guys can check that out. I feel like pony extensions are a lot easier, which is why I got this, because I really want to try it. And most of the time I have my hair in a pony anyway because I cannot do shit with my hair. So this is from the brand called Wonder or One Door. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna say it's Wonder because there's only one O. This retails for $9.99. To me, that is a great freaking deal, especially if this thing actually works, because I have seen some pony extensions online and those things can go from like, I don't know, 40 to like $100 and something. And for your girl here, that is just not ideal. Also, because I've never done like hair extensions or hair ponies, it's also not ideal for me to be putting $100 worth pony in my hair. So I got this in the color number 2, which is darkest brown. I have been dyeing my hair for a while now, so hopefully it matches. The other hair extensions matched almost perfectly. I was so freaking surprised by that because picking colors online is just, it's not a fun task to do because everyone's like contrast and brightness is different on their phone. So it's really hard to choose anything that has to do with color online, just like foundation. For the description, it says that the product is made from 100% Korean high quality synthetic heat resistant fiber, which makes it look and feel like real human hair. Now, I know for a fact, yeah, it even says that it's made in China. I know for a fact that this is a Chinese company because reading the description, it's terrible. The English, the grammar, everything. Also, this is about 100 to 130 grams. So that's about the volume of the hair, like the amount of hair. So it was in this box here and I thought that was about the length and it was maybe like folded just a smidge on the end. But this is the actual hair length. This is freaking crazy long. I don't think my hair has ever been this long before. This actually like goes down to almost my waist, like my ass. So this is a pretty good length of hair. Ooh, it's so pretty. I also think that this is almost identical to my natural hair color or my dyed hair color, but what's on my head right now, I feel like this is like a really good match. Like I could pull this color off with my hair. Now we have a little pony here that does the whole wrap around to hold this in place. There is also Velcro on here, which is very strange. I did not know that these have Velcro on them, but there's Velcro there. I do like the fact that it's Velcro though, because I feel like it's gonna be more secure. I don't know what all the other more expensive hair extensions use, but I don't think that they actually use Velcro. But again, I've never gotten one, so I don't know. Now on this little tag here that was on the hair extensions, it has care instructions on the back. So it says that you can shampoo it, just basically how to clean the damn thing. All right, so inside here we have like this little lace piece, and then of course the Velcro on the outside, and then inside we have a clip here that has like 4 little or 5 little clips or like little attachments, and then again we have this little pony that wraps around to secure it tightly. I was actually reading some reviews on this and a lot of people were saying it's amazing for the price. I was reading other reviews and these might be people who have actually bought like real human hair extensions extensions or ponytails, and they were saying that this tangles so freaking easily that it is just not worth wearing unless you're just sitting there to look pretty. And well, today your girl is just sitting here trying to look pretty, so we're gonna try this out. Now I'm sitting here like brushing the hair and it just feels so freaking soft. It's almost a little softer than the hair extensions that I tried on. Like my hair is just going right through the strands, except the end is a little bit tangled, but I've noticed that that's just kind of the thing with hair extensions. But this part is so fucking soft, like I can't stop petting it. So let me go ahead and shut the fuck up and do my hair. I don't know why, but I always get weird, awkward, and nervous whenever I do hair stuff because people are always judging, and again, I'm not a fucking hair expert. This is the first time I've ever put anything like this in my hair, so do not fucking judge me. I am here to just try this out because I want to look pretty like everybody else. And I did read on how to do this. I read the directions, and basically it says to take these little clips and insert it into your little pony here, and then wrap this around and securing the Velcro on there. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm trying to figure out a way where I can actually show you guys what the hell I'm doing, but it is really, really hard. This bump is seriously gonna bother the shit out of me, but we're just gonna keep it there for a little bit of character. So I'm just going to take the clip and I'm just gonna try to insert it into my little pony here. Oh, okay, that's not too bad. Let me go ahead and bring this around. I need to make sure that all my natural hair is kind of underneath this little lace part here. Hopefully you guys can see this. So I'm gonna take this end here and kind of wrap it underneath. Then now I'm gonna take the pony with the Velcro here, and we're just gonna try to secure this thing. I cannot tell what is the hair extension and what is my real hair. I am struggling so much right now just to put the freaking Velcro on. Like this is tough, y'all. I don't know how y'all girls do this every day. Like I know there are bitches out there who do extensions and all this stuff every single day before they go out, and I just could never. I have managed to get the Velcro piece on there. I think it's a little feels a little loose, so I'm gonna try to tighten that up here. I got it tight. Now I'm just going to wrap this around. I got my bobby pins ready here. Let's see if we can get this to wrap around. So now that I'm at the end here, I'm just gonna take some bobby pins and just shove them into this little loose end here and try to secure and fasten this thing. Ooh, that actually took only one bobby pin, which is really surprising because shit in my hair takes so much just to hold it because my hair is just unruly and it never wants to cooperate with me ever with anything. So I'm really surprised it only took one bobby pin. Okay. This looks really messy. Sorry about my flyaways, but they just don't want to stay down. But no one's looking at the back, right? I got the bobby pins in, and this part just feels so bulky and weird. Might just be all the volume like that I have and that this hair extension has. But let me see if I can fix this. This is a little weird. Like, it looks okay. It looks cute when you're looking at it like this from the front. But I can see like my natural hair kind of peek. Do you see that? Like this is really, really cute to just kind of change your hair up a little bit. I really like this. Ooh, this be looking fucking cute. Look at that. I feel really good with this because I feel like it was easy enough to just put it into the hairband and wrap around. Like that is literally all it took. Now I can't really say if, since I can't really see the back right now, once I try this again, like in the bathroom and all that, I'll probably be able to perfect it a little bit more. But I feel like if you have a lot more voluminous hair, that this may not be the best because it will not cover your natural hair. Right now, I'm pretty lucky because my hair is very, very straight. I did straighten it yesterday, and because it's so dry where I live, my hair has actually gotten a lot more flat than it used to be. And so if you have not so much voluminous hair, I feel like this would be perfect. But again, you can see my natural hair just kind of peeking out here beneath. So I wouldn't say this is one of those pony extensions that you want to be messing around too much with. If you want to just kind of place it here in the front and just wear it like that and not move around so much, then your natural hair or your real hair will be able to stay around the extension. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. The sun actually went and hid into the clouds, so it got a little bit darker. But yeah, I'm really liking this a lot, especially just to give me a little bit of length, because like I said, I wear ponies a lot and I'm not sitting here like always fucking with my pony or moving around. I'm not one of those girls who like flips her hair and like, I don't move around a lot, so I don't feel like this would get super duper tangled. I'm sitting here just like petting the crap out of it because it is so soft, but I am noticing that there is a lot of hair falling out, but it is not getting tangled at all whatsoever. So I'm really shocked at that, because a lot of people were saying that it does get tangled. But again, I am just sitting here looking pretty. So if you're someone who is gonna go out and about and move around and dance, this is probably not the hair extension. But again, if you're gonna go out with your girls and just have dinner or something, this could totally be like a game changer. I think the only other thing I could really do to hide my natural hair is to put this in a braid. That way my natural hair can be braided into the synthetic hair and it would look a lot better. But this is just so fucking cute. Like, I am really feeling this. I just kind of want to go strut around in my little pony, and I really am enjoying it. Like, I'm having so much fun with this. I haven't had this kind of fun in a while because I've just kind of been stuck in the house being miserable as shit because of the weather. And so this, for me, I'm really excited to see if I can like play with it a little bit more, maybe try to make like a bun out of it. But one thing that I'm just really concerned about is the top part, because the lace is very boxy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of like it's there, like you can feel it. Not only that, but it does feel a little bit heavy. So if you're not used to having a lot of hair or long hair, you're not going to be used to this either, because it does kind of pull down just a little bit. If you are someone who is not used to heavy hair, I would not recommend this pony at all. Again, when I was reading the views, a lot of people were saying that it is too heavy. There is no way they could wear it all day long. And I gotta say, you guys are little pussies, because this is really not that heavy. If you're someone who has been tugged at and pulled, like your hair, like you got your hair done a lot when you were younger, all through growing up, then the weight of this is not going to bother you. It does, again, like I said, it does pull a little bit, but if you fucked around with your hair so much, it's really not a big issue. I don't think it's called hard head. I think it's like when your scalp gets really tough from like if you had a lot of braids or if you've had a lot of things done to your hair, your scalp kind of just gets tough and you get used to like the weight and the pulling and all that stuff. So final thoughts on this. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. For $10 and I can have approximately 24 inches of extra hair. I am okay with that. I am totally okay with that. I just think that for $10, this is great. This is great for $10, especially for me to just fuck around with and only wear like when I'm filming and taking pictures. This is definitely something that I think is totally worth it just to have like hanging in your closet or wherever you keep your hair goods, and just to have this to like play around with. If you're someone who does a lot of pictures or maybe modeling or something and you just want a nice ponytail that's inexpensive and that looks actually really nice, and you can get this to look a lot better at the top, I totally 100% recommend this. To me, this is absolutely gorgeous because it's so soft. It's really not that tangly. I don't know why people are complaining that it's so tangled, because I literally just brushed it out and it looks like it just came out of the package again. One thing is I don't like how shiny it is, but I know that you can add like baby powder and stuff to this or dry shampoo to get rid of some of the synthetic shine to make it look a lot more realistic. But I think that I'm just gonna be keeping this for now for my videos and for pictures. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click that big red button that says subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually know when I post my videos. And as always, if you have any tips, tricks, questions, comments, or if you simply want to talk shit, leave it all in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.